we are going to study class 8 mathematics exercise 3.1 question number 4. So what's question number 4 here? Question number 4 is there any set which has no proper subset? Is there any set which has no proper subset? Yes. If so, name that set. So what is the set? Which is the set which has no proper subset? That set is null set. Null means empty set, because it have no elements, so it doesn't have any proper subset. Null set. Question number 2 is, what is difference between this set and this set? In this set, if you check its cardinality or number of elements in that set, there are 2 elements in that set. 2 elements. Now if you check this set, so now there is only one element, that is this AB in our brackets. So this is the singleton set. Question is that what is difference between these two sets? This one is singleton set, this one is singleton set because it has only one element, but this one is not singleton set because it has 2 elements. Okay. Now next one is question number 6. What is the number of elements in the power sets of the following sets? So how can you calculate number of elements in the power set of a set? So number of elements in power set can be calculated by using formula 2 raised to power n. And what is n here? N is the cardinality of set, means n is the number of elements in that set. Now come towards this. So how many elements in this set? There is no element, it means 0 element. So what is the number of power elements in power set? 2 raised to power 0, that is 1. Now this one, there are 2 elements, so it will become 2 raised to power 2, that is 4. So there will be 4 elements in that set. Check this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 elements. So number of elements in its power set 2 raised to power 7. That will be 128. So similarly you can calculate. If you check this, there are 3 elements, A, B, B, C, D, E. There are 3 elements. So number of elements in its power set will be 2 raised to power 3, that is 8. Okay. Now come towards question number 7. That is, write down the power set of each of the following sets. You have to make power set of these sets. So we solve its first question, that is a set with elements 9 and 11. So how to write the power sets of this set? Firstly, assign a name to that set. You can assign any name. I have assigned A. Now how to write its power set? Firstly, you have to use this notation to write power set of set A, P of A, and then make subset each possible subset of the set. What is the power set? Basically the set containing each possible subset of the given set. So firstly we know empty set, null set is the subset of every set. Then make singleton set of this set 9, 11, and then make set of 2 elements, that is 9, 11. So all these are the all possible combinations of that sets, all possible subsets. So a set containing all these subsets, make a bracket here to make it one set. So this will become now power set of this set 9 and 11. Similarly we have here its third part, this one. make the power set of that set. So assign any name to that set. I have assigned name B and then power set of P. Now it's not a empty set. It is the singleton set basically, which contain an element that is 5. So how we make its first empty set is subset of every set, and then this singleton set that contains this element 5. Now it has become a set, that is the power set of set B. So in this way, and you can check also the number of elements in the power set of that set that we have discussed in previous question, that power set contains elements 2 raised to power n. Now since there are 2 elements, so in the power set of this set there should be 2 raised to power 2, 4 elements. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 elements. So in this way you can verify your elements. Thank you.